Hello everyone. Welcome to this video learning series of AutoCAD. My name is Ipshit and I will be taking you through this amazing journey of learning AutoCAD in a simple and effective manner. I'm working as a CAD engineer with CADCIM Technologies. I have more than 5 years of experience in CAD domain. I have worked on various consulting projects in CAD domain as well as building services. Before we start learning AutoCAD, let me brief you about CADCIM Technologies. Incepted under the leadership of Professor Shyam Tikku, who is a leading professor in mechanical department of Purdue University, USA. CADCIM has been doing consulting and training work for various reputed companies across the globe. CADCIM also publishes textbooks on various software packages and has published around 52 titles till now, which are used by industry professionals, universities, as well as individuals throughout the world. Now let me introduce you to the most widely used drafting package, AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a computer-aided 2D and 3D software drafting application. It is used by the architectural firms, engineering firms, graphic designers, fashion industry, electronics industry, and so on. Like it is used by mechanical industries for drafting the floor drawings, by architectural firms to create blueprints for buildings, by structural engineers to draft their designs for bridges, in electronics industry to design computer chips, and so on. With the introduction of 3D printing tools since 2017 in AutoCAD, it can also be used for prototyping models. What makes our video series different is that it covers basic as well as advanced features of AutoCAD. The tools are explained in a very simple and effective manner. And to lay more focus on concepts, working drawings have been used throughout this video series. To make things easy to understand for users, each tool explanation is followed by a practice example wherever required. If you have any queries about this course, feel free to write us at sales@cadcim.com. Each and every query of yours will be answered within a short span of time. Thank you so much.